Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the pieces: your email address, password, and whether the account uses a map, POP, or Exchange. Once ready, open Outlook and go straight to File, then Add Account. This gets you into configuration quickly. If automatic setup fails, choose Manual Setup and enter server names and ports. Make sure to test the connection when prompted so you catch credential or server issues early and avoid repeating steps later. Once your account syncs, organize mail with folders and consistent naming so you find things fast. You build a predictable system. Then set rules to automatically move or flag messages based on sender, subject, or keywords. This reduces manual sorting. Make sure to enable focused inbox if you want priority filtering, and create quick steps for multi-action tasks like reply and file. When you combine rules with folders, your daily process to finish, configure calendar entries with accurate times, reminders, and privacy. Share calendars for scheduling transparency. Next, create email signatures per account that include contact details and any legal disclaimers so messages look professional. Finally, set up backup by exporting a PSD or enabling auto archive, and verify the file by testing a restore. Backups save you from accidental loss. If something goes wrong, check connectivity and cached credentials first. Re-enter passwords and restart Outlook before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.